Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here at the Remy in Frisco, Texas. This is the Remy in Frisco, Texas. These are new, very nice, beautifully done, recently built apartments. It's a mid-rise. It's gorgeous inside. You're going to like it. I've already seen it. And again, it's in Frisco, Texas. So what I want to talk about is the area just a bit. First of all, this is Frisco Square. This is the newer part of Frisco. It's more urban. And when I mean urban, I just mean it's more like for walkability. It's for apartments. It's really meant for, apartments, living in apartments and walkability and, just cool and newer and more inviting. In other words, it's not a subdivision. There are areas of Frisco that are subdivisions, but that's not this area. So this is a really cool circle. And by the way, there's some other apartments here. We've also filmed literally all of these apartments. So there are other choices, but the Remy is an incredible choice, and I've got some clients that love it. So you can see, by the way, there's people walking their dogs all around. This is a very walkable area. It's a very pet-friendly area. So if you have a dog, this is a great area to be in. Also, there's some great things here to enjoy just in quick walking distance. There's a couple of restaurants that would be reasonably quick, just right, I believe right over here. There's going to be some great restaurants. There's also, hey, there's a church. There's Grace Church that's right here. So, hey, get your Sunday church on, and you can go to church right here. Also, if you go down on the right over here, Babe's Chicken is just right down here. Probably, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes walk or so, but it is walkable. You can go. I do see it. It's just kind of right down over there. Babe's Chicken is some of the best chicken and home cooking that you'd would ever have in your life, with big portions. That's over there. And so that's a great place. And then on Main Street, there's restaurants. There's actually quite a lot of nightlife that's right over here. I would say that's more of a quick drive, but 3-minute, 4-minute drive, and you're there on Main Street and the tollway. People would live here if they're working in West Plano or in Frisco, and you want a new apartment that's nice and, not in a subdivision area where you can meet other people, and also a little less expensive than if you go more south. So that's why you want to live here at the Remy. Hey, now let's actually walk into the Remy and let's check it out in the lobby. That'll be our next video. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.